Hi friends,
Hi.
welcome to our channel, Shormi Mon. A few days ago we went to this Thai restaurant and we decided to try this dish. It's a very tasty dish. It's called WOON SEN, and today we are making it at home, restaurant style. Now if you like this dish, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to comment. It's a really tasty dish and seems like it's very popular at that restaurant. Seems like everybody likes it at the restaurant. So let's go and see how it is done.
Come and see how it's done.
So let's go.
This dish, you need some rice noodles. Let's make the rice noodle first.
This is the rice noodle that we are using for this dish, and
This one is good for this dish.
we tried this rice noodle and it's very good.
Very good.
And here it is, starting the process by
Making the rice noodles.
making the rice noodle first. So while the noodle is being cooked, let's go and see what else we need to make this tasty dish. Let's go check it out.
Beside the rice noodles, you also need some onion, tomato, green bell pepper, coriander, onion leaves, and some chilies. You do need some ground chicken, lobster, and also shrimp. Since it's a salad dish, we need lettuce.
We can't cook the noodles too much, then it's gonna be overcooked. 5 minutes of cooking time is enough. So after 5 minutes of boiling the noodle, it's we strained it and then we washed it with some very cold water so the noodle don't get sticky. Now it's time to go make the gravy. Now we are going to make the gravy.
Start with water.
Now we're going to add some ginger and garlic water. Now we're going to add some lime juice.
Now I will add some fish sauce. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, not too much.
If you wish to know what fish sauce we used, it's called Viet Hong. It's really good fish sauce. This video is not sponsored, it's just I'm showing you what I am using for my recipe. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Our water is almost boiled. Now we're going to cook our
chicken. I'm going to add the chicken in the water and I will boil it.
Let's boil the chicken for about 5 minutes so it's not raw. We're going to add some olive oil.
Let's cook the chicken for 3 to 5 minutes. I think our chicken is cooked. Now I'm going to take it out and I will add our shrimp and lobster in the same water. Let's add the shrimp and lobster in the same water and cook it for another 5 minutes. You can always add some water if you think that you need water.
Don't use too much water because we want to keep the water thick so we can make gravy out of it. If you add too much water, then the water is gonna dilute and the gravy is not gonna taste very good. So we gotta make sure we keep it thick so we can make a gravy out of it. Let's go and see how our lobster and shrimp is doing. Let's stir it a little bit. We don't want it to get stuck. See the water? It's juicy and thick. We're going to use it to make very good gravy. Now we're going to take it out and put it away. It looks wonderful, by the way. So we have the chicken here and the seafood here, and what's left over is the water, and I will show you in a few minutes how to make a gravy out of it. So we added some ice to the thick gravy because it was a little too thick for the dish, for the recipe. Now we're going to add some lime juice. Lime juice you can add to your taste. Now we're going to add some lemongrass to the gravy for some flavor. And now I'm also going to use some lemon leaf for some additional flavor. Now we're going to add a basil leaf. Add sugar.
For taste.
Our gravy is done. Now we're going to take out all the leaves. After the gravy is cooked, we have to make sure it's cold before we add it to the dish. Alright, now let's go. We are going to make the dish. We're going to add everything on the lettuce bed, starting with the noodles first. Add the noodles first. We're going to add lobster, shrimp, and chicken. 2, 3. Now we're going to add onion, now we're going to add cilantro, add some pepper, add some tomato. Now we're going to add some green onion, add some more cilantro. To finish it off, our chicken and seafood gravy with lemon. Toss everything together. Friends, as you can see, our yum onsen is ready to be served. It is very healthy. There is not oil involved over here, so it's very good for health, and it is also very tasty. The amount that I showed you, it will serve about 3 to 4 people, depending on how hungry you are. As you can see, it looks very delicious. So I hope you liked it, and if you want to know any further information, please leave me a comment. Don't forget to smash the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. I will see you in our future video.